Welcome to Math Solutions. In this video, we will go over the order of operations. The order of operations is a collection of rules used in mathematical problem solving that outlines conventions regarding which actions to perform before others. The order of operations is as follows: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and finally, addition and subtraction. Here we have an example. Let's solve it. Based on the order of operations, we need to simplify 7 plus 4 first, since that segment is within the parentheses. This holds true despite the numbers being added through addition. Since there are no exponents in this equation, we can skip to multiplying 5 times 6 and then subtracting 11 from the product, giving us 19 as our answer. For our second example, we have an exponent. Once again, start with the parentheses. Then, simplify 9 squared to 81. Now, we can move to multiplication and division. Since 5 divided by 81 is the leftmost segment of the expression, we will need to start with division, and then multiply 2 times 7. Now, we just need to add both products together, giving 14.06 as our answer. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/mathsolutionsx.